What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to update your software to iOS 18.2.1 on iPhone. So let's get into it. Open up your settings and scroll down to General and select it. And then you want to select Software Update. And all right, guys, so iOS 18.2.1. Now, this update provides important bug fixes and is recommended for all users. So it's not a super major update, guys, but it is recommended, and it is approximately 1.98 gigabytes. So if you're ready to update it, just select Update Now, enter your passcode, and then it will begin to download the update. So it says update requested, and once this is done, we will be able to install it. So let's just let this go through the process and then we'll come back. Okay, so after the update is requested, it will prepare the update, which is still a part of the download process. And now we will move to installing. So it has been downloading, and that process is complete. So we will select Update Now. And once you do that, it's going to verify the update, and it will take you through a series of reboots. Sometimes it can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on the size of the download. But once the update is complete and it has gone through its final reboot, it will bring you to your lock screen, and it will look like this. It will say your iPhone has been updated to that specific update. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.